All right, hey, hello. Quick question. Who here pays electricity? Hands up. Great. Who here is happy with how much you're paying electricity? Not that many. Well, there's one there. Happy. Very good. Happy chap. Who here looked at their electricity bill recently? One, two, three. All right. And who here ever switched suppliers? There's one, and I know why. Then that's two, I know why. And that's three. Not that many. There is a secret in this industry, in the personal billing industry. It's that it is based on our dislike to deal with bills. In fact, 70% of households don't actually switch providers, and 80% of the bill payers pay the most expensive price. That makes 17 billion euros in overpaid bills. 80% of us all are paying about 500 euros or more than we should have, just on our electricity bill alone. I am Christian, I'm founder of Trafero, and I believe that there should be more options than just these two options. I believe that you can do the work, you can do the research, you can look at your electricity bill or insurance bill or your credit card statement or your terms and conditions and research and look for a better supplier and save money that way or get better customer service, or you can just ignore it with the hope that they won't charge you that extra bit in their auto-renewal policy. Trafero proposes you to save serious amount of money by automating it all. Our customers are already saving an average of about 400 euros a month, a year, just by switching monthly, automatically with Trafero. And that's just on their electricity bill. Trafero is an ethical and independent service. The main differentiating factor here from comparison sites that we all use sometimes is that we don't get paid by the suppliers. So we don't get rankings, we don't get pushed by suppliers to show up in different results, and we don't get kickbacks when someone signs up through us. This way, we can monitor the market, the entire market. We can sort out through all the terms and conditions. We can select the best three options that you have, that we found, that are good for you in a highly personalized manner, and we can send you the contract to sign, or we can do it for you, depending on your options. We want you to be in control, informed, but if you don't want that, we can do all that in the background. You then just enjoy the savings. We're going after a big market size here. We're looking here at the electricity market size. There are about 195 million households in the EU alone. 1 in 3 are changing or are what they want, or they're able to change suppliers, and that makes it over almost close to 2 billion market size. Almost 20% of people are switching manually, and these are mainly our customers, our early adopters, because finally there is a tool that does it for them. And however, 80% of customers are still with the most expensive supplier. So once we help these early adopters, we're going after the mass market and we're trying to help as many people as possible. As I said, the main differentiating factor between us and comparison site is that comparison sites, really what they are, it's a marketplace for suppliers, where suppliers pay to get ranked, to show up in results, and then comparison sites get paid through affiliate links or through sign-ups that ask the customers, thinking that we're searching for some new deal and we found a good deal, we're kind of full into it. We are a team from Apple, Salesforce, Jaguar, the British Red Cross. We are engineers, we're financial advisors, we are software developers with over decades in experience, so we believe that we're the team to do this. We built a multidisciplinary board of advisors. We're based here in Portugal, and we launched here in Portugal, and our advisors are Portuguese that opened a lot of doors for us here in the market. We're looking for funds. We're going to open our first fundraising so we can build more of our product, so we can make it even better and take it across in the rest of the EU. You can save right now on your electricity bill. It's a subscription model. You're paying 24 euros a year, and you may save just on your electricity bill around 400, 450 euros in that year. Thank you very much.